Hi friends, very shortly, how to choose the right bottom bracket for your bike. This is the bottom bracket, press fit. So you need to press it into the frame. What you should know, first thing on the crankset side is that the axle should be compatible with these holes. So with this diameter should be this diameter. And surprise, surprise, when you exchange, for example, the SRAM XX something one, for example, crankset with the XTR, and this is the GXP, not BB30, because we have 24 millimeters diameter right here. You might think, okay, if this is the GXP, right? This is 24 roughly. If this is the GXP, this should work. It will only work on one side, and on the other side it won't go through, because, my friends, here we have 24, on the other side we have 22. So you should know that. Easy thing is to, for Shimano, buy Shimano bottom bracket. But now let's go to the frame side and you will see what the problem might be. This is my bottom bracket shell, and the problem might be that the serial number on the bottom bracket from Shimano might be misleading for you. My bottom bracket shell is 92. It is 92, so roughly 92 millimeters. And so when you see from Shimano the bottom bracket with the serial number SMBB9241, you might think, this is great, this is going to work. It's not going to work, because you need the MTB one for the MTB shell. So 92 will not be enough for the 92 bottom bracket shell, because inside it will look like this. This shell, this is the only thing that won't be compatible. This is the MTB press fit from Shimano with the serial number of SMBB9441. You might think, hey, 94 would be too much. 94 is for your bottom bracket, because bottom bracket shell, because it actually says on the box for the shells from 89.5 to 92 millimeters. And this one will be sealed inside your frame. You can see the difference. Okay, so these parts are actually the same, in my opinion, exactly the same, but the shell for BB94 MTB is longer, and that's it. I had these Rhodes bottom bracket, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna use it because this is 92. It's okay for the bearings, but not okay for the shell. So now I'm replacing this one with this one. And also remember that you might even be surprised seeing one diameter on one side, one diameter on the other side for example, SRAM. So this is for the press fit bottom bracket, so mainly the axle diameter and the length of the bottom bracket shell, and don't be misleaded, don't be disappointed, guys, when you buy the SMBB92, because it is made, and this is better on this side, it's made for our road bikes. That's it. Give me some likes and subscriptions, and see you in the next one.